welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Roosamekto Mamek, aka Raja Mexico. Okay, without any further talk, let's do the walkthrough. And this is my red foot, yeah. It is so hot, guys. 12 o'clock afternoon. Okay, no problem. One, two, and three, four, and five, six, and seven, eight, and section 1, 2, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and section 3. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and section 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and that's all the dance. I am going to repeat facing camera, and this is my right foot, yeah. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and okay, that's all. But there is 4 contact. I am going to face this side, yeah, for the tag. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and okay, guys, that's all. If you like it, don't forget please to like, comment, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel. Selamat menjalankan ibadah puasa. Minal aidin wal faizin, mohon maaf lahir dan batin. Selamat Lebaran.